So basically that's the type of section that I want, you know. A sort of back window here, a little strange. Like that, you know, top window there. Why not? Center line. Our reflection on the side. Let's do it. A little bit, I'm preparing for the transparency there, you know. Okay, I'll go a little bit faster, okay? But as you can see, I'm repeating basically the same thing before. Like that. You see, you have a feeling of that car. So please upload the video back and learn from it. Sebastian, you find the video tomorrow. Don't worry. Hi, Solarianic. Ciao. Welcome back. So now I'm gonna make here a little bit of shading there after the center line, like this. Okay, you see? And then the last part, it's the side. With that surface change there, and we're gonna make it. Don't worry, I'll do it. Let's see how it comes out. Maybe it's ugly, we don't like it. You see, I'm thinking of something like that. You see that type of thing, you know, where the section is like this, goes inside and comes out. I don't know if it can be something good or maybe it's ugly, I don't know. What do you think? Hey Patriots, ciao! Hey guys, if you want, you can support this channel, you know, with a membership. You can become a member and support this channel, which would be interesting. I would be very, very grateful to you. I mean, you already do, I know, huh? Alright, so this is it. I am finished